Hi, welcome to the Improved Garage YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. So today, I have something that I'm going to be opening up and installing. It's for the Honda. I want to do this on camera because, like most Amazon packages, this is packaged very poorly, and the end is crushed. And I hear small bits moving around, so I'm assuming it's damaged. So we'll see if it's damaged to the point that it can't be used. It needs to be reordered, which would be a shame because I waited on this for a couple of weeks. So, there's tape on one end. This end is just cardboard. So we will open this here. And these are Sill plates for the passport. Okay, not as bad as I thought. So, these are for the rear. Open those up, and here's what they look like. Passport, they're stainless, black, and they have 3M adhesive on the back. There we are. And here's the other one. And these, I don't think, have a right and left. They're just the same for both sides. So these would be the fronts. And that's how they look. So I will say that they appeared to have arrived unscathed. The stainless isn't, it's not protected with any sort of like plastic coating or something like you would normally expect. There's a little bit of oxidation on it, but it's wiping right off with my thumb. So it's just poorly packaged, but it seems fine. So let's take a look here. So these are exactly the same. So there doesn't appear to be like a right and a left, driver and a passenger, which seems weird, but whatever. There is a slight curve to it, I think. Yeah, there is a slight curve. But anyway, let's try these on. I'll just do one side so that you can see the application, and then I'll show you what they look like when they're installed. Installing this here, and I think that's where I want to put it. Kind of not quite centered there, but centered in the bottom of this recessed piece. So kind of there's nubs here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm kind of right at the beginning of the second nub. And then I'm going to leave like a 1/4 of an inch gap across the front right here. This is very slick, so let me grab some eraser. There's probably some drying aid or something like that here, just from washing the car. So, peel the backing off of the 3M adhesive. Alright, so there we are. Now let's make sure that the door can shut. Cool. Let's do the front. Oh, well, awesome. This doesn't actually fit. It's too long. All right, well, done with that. ends up being kind of the problem with Amazon. So I will make a return and try to find something else that'll fit. It's not a huge deal trying to solve a problem that's not really there. Just trying to protect these Sill plates. Got kids in and out all the time. So anyway, thank you for watching, and have a great day.